First, we will start with the point how to read and write a quadrilateral. Reading and writing of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be named by starting at any vertex and going serially either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. You must have seen clocks at your home. Yes, how does a clock rotate? The hands of the clock rotate from the right side. Yes, from the right side of your hand. Yes, so this is the clockwise direction, and which is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means the opposite direction of the clock. So that is like this. You can either write it clockwise or you can write it as anti-clockwise. But one thing you have to remember is you have to go serially. Suppose I start with A and I want to go clockwise. Then how will I go? Quadrilateral A, D, C, B. And if I want to go anti-clockwise, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, it is not necessary you have to start from A only. You can start from any point. You can start from B, you can start from C, you can start from D. Let us take one more example how to write a quadrilateral from point C, anti-clockwise as well as clockwise. We will go anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this and clockwise means like this. First we will go anti-clockwise, quadrilateral C, D, A, B and quadrilateral C, B, A and D. Okay, so this is how to read a quadrilateral. What about writing? Reading is simply we know how to read, and what about writing now? This is the symbol of a quadrilateral. Whenever you want to mention that it's a quadrilateral, it is mandatory to write this symbol of a quadrilateral. As how we read triangle or we read angle, so we write that angle or we write that triangle. So same way this is the symbol for quadrilateral. Next one, adjacent sides of quadrilateral. Now we will learn some properties of quadrilateral. Adjacent sides means what means adjacent? Adjacent means touching sides. This is one touching side and this is touching side. This is touching to this side. This is touching to this side. This is touching to this side. This and this are the opposite two sides, whereas this side and this side are the opposite two sides. The sides AB and AD of quadrilateral ABCD have a common vertex. A side AB and side AD are adjacent side. Now let's see who is AB. This one is AB. Yes, and AD is this one AD. Common vertex, the angle which is common point. Point means vertex. Okay, in mathematical language point is said as vertex. So these two sides are adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Another example, side CD and side BC are adjacent because why? They have a common vertex. Common vertex means these two sides are touching to each other with one vertex with one point C. Adjacent sides of a quadrilateral have a common vertex. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, the sides AB and DC have a common vertex. Side AB and side DC are opposite of the quadrilaterals. Side AB and side DC. Yes, AB and DC have, sorry, I said it common. It has no common vertex. Okay, sorry for that. It has no common vertex. So no common means this side AB and side DC are not touching to each other. So that means they are opposite to each other. Now in a quadrilateral, it doesn't have 5 sides or 5 angles. So we cannot find out who is opposite to whom. Yes, if you check out with this side, you cannot tell that this is opposite or this is opposite. For this side, this is opposite. It is okay. So as quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles, you can tell which one is opposite to whom. So side AB is opposite to side DC and side CB is opposite to side DA. You can read it as AD also. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral do not have common vertex. Adjacent angles of quadrilateral. Same like adjacent sides, there are adjacent angles. Now adjacent sides had, see, let's go behind. Adjacent sides of quadrilateral, these are the two adjacent sides, had a common vertex. No, it had a common vertex. Now what about adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are this angle and this angle. So who is common between them? Common side. The angle of a quadrilateral which have one common arm are called adjacent angles of the quadrilateral. Arm means the side. This is one arm, this is another arm, this is another arm, and this is the fourth arm. So this is one angle and this is another angle. So these are the two angles adjacent to each other. Why? Because both the angles have a common side or have a common arm. Thank you.